Hello, participants of conference. We present the Scientific Research Institute of Phytopathology and Biodiversity of Shotorustaveli State University. Batumi is a coastal city of Georgia, one of the smallest but beautiful countries. We present a brief presentation of the results of the scientific research, characteristics of local hazelnut varieties in Georgia, morphological and technical perspective, written by Mziuri, Gabaidze, Neli, Khalvashi, and Guram, Memarne. As it known, the Kairos genus, a member of the Betalaceae family, encompasses approximately 20 species of hazelnuts, 11 of which are indigenous to Georgia. 3 of these species are endemic to Georgia, while 2 are endemic to the broader Caucasus region. Hazelnut cultivation holds a significant historical and strategic position in the agriculture of Georgia, emerging as one of the most promising commodities in recent years. It has ascended to the ranks of the top 10 export crops, underscoring its economic importance. In fact, the volume of hazelnut export has reached unprecedented levels, positioning it as a leading export product from Georgia. The geographic position of Georgia, along with its varied soil and climatic conditions, offers favorable conditions for the extensive cultivation of hazelnuts. The distribution area of hazelnuts in Georgia is not constrained, allowing further widespread growth. Consequently, Georgia is renowned for its exceptional varieties diversity in hazelnuts. This slide shows the distribution of hazelnuts according to regions, from which it can be seen that the largest areas of hazelnuts are in Samegrelo and Uria regions. Based on data from FAO in 2021, Georgia produced approximately 46,100 tons of hazelnuts, accounting for approximately 3% of global hazelnut production. Furthermore, according to the statistics provided by Sextet in 2021, Georgia's hazelnut exports amounted to a total value of 89.3 million United States dollars, which is not such a small indicator for such a small country as Georgia. This slide shows the yield according to regions, and thereto the highest yield is obtained from Samegrelo and Uria regions. Georgia is home to approximately 40 distinct varieties of hazelnuts, consisting of both local varieties and populations. Local varieties and populations comprise 80% of the hazelnut diversity in the region, while the remaining 20% consists of internationally recognized varieties that have been introduced from various countries. The local hazelnut varieties in Georgia exhibit comparable biological and economic characteristics to the internationally renowned Italian and Spanish varieties. The predominant industrial cultivars found in hazelnut plantation across Georgia include Anakliuri, Gulshishvela, Dedoplicity, Shvelispura, Chiquiquistava, Khajapura, Karitsvala, Vanis Tetri, Vanis Tsiteli, Tshenitsutsu, Nemsa, Legi, Ganja, Giresun, Kazarula, and among others. The research samples were collected during the pass of full maturity in September 2022 from the collection plot belonging to the Institute of Phytopathology and Biodiversity of Batumi Shotorustaveli State University. The collection plot is situated in the Copuleti municipality at an altitude of 15 meters above sea level. A study was carried out to examine 7 local industrial cultivars of hazelnuts, namely Anakliuri, Shvelispura, Khajapura, Chiquistava, Gulshishvela, Dedoplicity, and Karistvala. For each cultivar, a sample of 2 to 3 kg of fruits was gathered, and these fruits were then subjected to a drying process lasting 2 weeks, with the objective of reducing the moisture content by approximately 7%. A comprehensive investigation was conducted on randomly selected samples of fruit, consisting of 100 to 100 nuts per variety. Significant differences were revealed between the varieties studied according to morphological characteristics. Varieties differ from each other in banding. Some varieties are characterized by many clearly defined light-colored stripes that divide the skin from the tip to the base of fruit, while in some varieties the stripes are less noticeable. Research varieties also differ according to technical characteristics. Technical indicators play a significant role not only in distinguishing various varieties, but also in terms of their processing and utilization. In the food industry, there is a preference for round-shaped hazelnuts due to their comparative ease of processing. The longest fruits are characterized by the duplicity and Cheliscura, while the short and broad fruits are characterized by Hajapura and Kariswala. As it known, one of the important signs in nut culture is the ratio of thickness of the skin and the kernel, which significantly determines the quality and yield. Among the varieties, the duplicity and Chiquistava are characterized by smaller fruit thickness. Kushishwala and Shwelskura are medium thick. Hajapura, Kariswala, and Anakliuri are characterized by thick kernel. Shwelskura and Kushishwala are characterized by the best yield. The research findings demonstrated a net of distinction among the industrial hazelnut varieties commonly found in Georgia. These differences encompass a range of morphological characteristics such as fruit shape, size, shell thickness, color, indimentum, straight appearance, base, and apex shape. Additionally, these varieties are observed in kernel yield, biochemical composition, refined tests, and various economic indicators. Among the examined varieties are distinguished by weight, Hajapura, Karitsvala, and Anagleuri; by kernel weight, Hajapura and Karitsvala; by kernel yield, Kulshishvela and Shveliskura; by market value, Anakleuri, Kulshishvela, and Tetoplistit. That was short information about our research. Thank you for your attention.